Bharat Biotech's COVID-19 vaccine Covaxin has been recommended by an expert panel for the Phase 2 and Phase 3 clinical trial on those aged between 2 and 18 years. The trial will take place in 525 subjects at various sites including AIIMS Delhi, AIIMS Patna and Meditrina Institute of Medical Sciences in Nagpur. The Subject Expert Committee on COVID-19 of the Central Drug Standard Control Organization on Tuesday deliberated upon Hyderabad-based Bharat Biotech's application seeking permission to conduct Phase 2 and Phase 3 clinical trials to evaluate the safety, rectogenicity and immunogenicity of Covaxin jabs in children aged 2 to 18 years. Now, even the Drugs Controller General of India has given its nod for the trial. The number of deaths of COVID-19 patients for want of oxygen at Chamarajanagar District Hospital in Karnataka could be higher than 24, according to a High Court appointed panel. The three-member panel confirmed that 24 COVID-19 patients died in a hospital on the intervening night of May 2 and May 3rd, as oxygen was not available for 4 hours from 10:30 p.m., the Times of India reported. Headed by retired High Court Judge Justice A.N. Venugopala, the panel noted that 62 died in the hospital between May 4th and May 10th, and at least 36 were inpatients on May 2nd. Serum Institute of India CEO Adar Poonawalla has assured Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray of providing a supply of 1.5 crore doses of Covishield after May 20th, Health Minister Rajesh Tope said on Wednesday. Tope told reporters the state will start the vaccination drive for the 18 to 44 years age group after they receive the consignment. The Maharashtra cabinet held a meeting on Wednesday to deliberate on the management of the pandemic in the state. Low on vaccine supply, the state has temporarily suspended vaccination for the 18 to 44 years age group. In Bengal, the BJP's tally of 77 MLAs in the assembly is down to 75. Two BJP MPs who contested and won have submitted their resignation to the Speaker on Wednesday afternoon on instructions of the party high command. The Trinamool has mocked the move as the BJP's bid to play safe in the Lok Sabha. The Trinamool has accused the centre's decision to give central security to all the BJP MLAs in Bengal as misuse of taxpayers' money. Nishit Pramanik and Jagannath Sarkar were among the 5 BJP MPs the party fielded for the assembly polls, hoping to form a government where they could play key roles. That did not happen. Now the BJP clearly feels they are more useful in the parliament. Hamas unleashed a fresh barrage of deadly rocket fire towards Israel on Wednesday in retaliation for the leveling of a 14-story building in Gaza by Israel, which ruled out an imminent ceasefire. Hamas said the volley of 130 rockets, which killed a 6-year-old boy in southern Israel and set off air raid warnings up to Tel Aviv, was a response to the destruction of Gaza City's Al Farouk Tower. The tower, which spewed black smoke from bright embers following the strike, was described by the Israel as housing the Hamas intelligence service. Israel's defense minister Benny Gantz had earlier vowed more attacks on Hamas and other Islamist extremist groups in Gaza to bring total long-term quiet before considering a ceasefire. This is just the beginning. Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu warned, "We will deliver them blows they haven't dreamt of," he said.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.